Summer is the perfect time to make the move and splash into a new era of your life. Justin Bauer and Drew Lindeman of Epcon Communities and Clarity Construction are here to share more. And summer is the perfect time to make a move, Justin.
Absolutely. I think the obvious part in Iowa when you're dealing with winter and snow, things like that. But there's some other specifics as far as how more houses selling. So even people that are moving into our communities, reselling their home, your best chance to resell your home is going to be in the summer. Nationally, you look at it, sales always peak in July. So people are always tending to move more in the summer. So it's a good transition period.
And what does summer look like at an Epcon community?
There's a lot of fun things to do. We've got ponds in each community, walking trails, and then our clubhouse specifically. We have pools, bocce ball, pickleballs in certain communities. So we also have the workout room inside the clubhouse. So start your morning with a coffee, with a workout, end the day with in the pool.
We just saw a shot of the pool at the clubhouse. It looked amazing, and especially in the evening hours, that's like magic.
You know, a lot of our communities, they like to get together, have drinks in the evening, you know, just float around in the pool. It's a pretty fun deal.
Oh, that's amazing. Drew, tell us about the courtyard living, because there are different options with that. What does it mean to be the courtyard living there?
Right, so Justin kind of touched on the clubhouse and the amenities, but there's also a great spot to host at your own personal house as well. So you'll notice all of our communities are titled the courtyards at Parkside, the courtyards at Windsor, that sort of thing. So courtyard living is a big part of what we sell. And we have two different styles. We have a P series and an R series home. The P series are where your courtyard's on the side of the house and the house kind of wraps around it, so it really feels like additional square footage. You can hang out there and have a glass of wine with a friend or coffee in the morning. And then the R series, the courtyards are on the back of the home. So those are designed to be kind of backing to something visually appealing. So whether that's a pond, treat area, or green space, that's a great option for those designs.
And this one looks beautiful right there.
Yeah.
You're right, it almost looks like an extension to the home.
That's what it feels like, additional square footage for sure when you have a kind of a private courtyard oasis.
Yeah. You have a brand new floor plan. We've talked about floor plans before. Tell us about the new one.
Yeah, so I kind of touched on the P series and R series. We got feedback from a lot of customers that they wanted that R series because our current developments, we have a lot of lots that back a pond or a wooded area. So we introduced a new floor plan called the Capri. It's an R series, so the courtyard on the back of the home, but it's a slightly smaller square footage. It's still 2-bedroom, 2-bath, but it's a smaller square footage for the people that don't want something quite so big, but it still offers them the opportunity to get that house that backs to a beautiful area.
And we're seeing an example of it now. It's beautiful inside and out, so that would be a great option.
For sure, yeah. Like I said, we took feedback back from buyers, and it's a smaller square footage, and also that's a smaller price point as well. So.
Oh. Very nice. Okay, you have a poolside event, so we can check out the pool and get to experience what life in your community is like coming up.
Absolutely. You know, we've been on the show many times, and we always talk about it's more than just the material item of the house that you're buying. We have beautiful houses, but it's the living style, and the pool and clubhouse and these events are a big part of that lifestyle.
And then, because hopefully you can meet your neighbors, your future neighbors.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, the poolside experience coming up June 22nd, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. The courtyards at Parkside, Waukee, and it'll be like a pool party. So bring your suits.
Food, drinks, pool games, all of it.
Okay, it looks like a lot of fun and a great opportunity to see the courtyards, the clubhouse, and even maybe an example of one of the homes. Yeah,
and we have our quick move-in homes that are available today. You could buy them tomorrow. You could move in as soon as you can close.
Okay, that sounds great. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And you can learn more. Just go online to clarityconstruction.com or call 515-599-5933. You'll find locations in Ankeny, Johnston, and Waukee. You can also see more on social media.